First, use a hex bit screwdriver to take out 2 screws near the seat. And then go to the back of the chair. Use hex bit screwdriver again to take our 4 screws on the black cover, and then remove the back cover. Unzip the zipper on left and right shoulder airbags. You will see a metal piece with 2 screws. Now use a Phillips screwdriver to take out 2 screws for each side. Go back to the back of the chair. Use the hex bit screwdriver to take out 2 screws on the black metal piece. There is one more screw inside also needs to be removed. Do the same steps to the right side. After that, disconnect these air tubes. Unzip the zipper on the back cushion. Be careful here. Before remove the headrest, you need to disconnect this small connector first for both sides. After the headrest is removed, you can now lift up the armrest to disconnect some connectors and air tubes first. Cut off the zip tie that secures those wires. Install the armrest back. First, reconnect air tubes and connectors. The silver metal hinge should be inserted in the silver metal slot. Use 2 zip ties to secure these wires on the metal frame again. To install headrest back, the silver metal hinge should be inserted all the way to the metal slot on both sides at the same time. Make sure there is no gap left between the headrest and the armrest. First, install screws back to the positions on both sides. Reconnect the rest connectors and air tubes back. Follow the steps and install screws and metal pieces back to the chair. Kindly note that, when install the back cover back to the chair, make sure 2 slots hook on the metal hinges, and then install 4 screws back.